Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome everyone once again, and this is one of the videos on the series regarding the data sheet. Initially, we had learnt about the activity sheet, the inventory sheet, accounting sheet, product distribution sheet, and inshallah today we are going to be doing the payment sheet. If you have not watched the other videos, kindly go and watch them. The link will be in the description of this video, inshallah. So for the payment sheet, this is going to be used by those in the delivery and payment team. So whenever they make confirmation of payment, they are going to reflect it here. So for example, if someone, let me just first go through the sheet. So we have our date here. So we have the number of orders delivered for that day. We have the number of orders paid for. We have the amount paid, and we have what? The number of orders that are yet to be paid for. So in this sheet, we'll be able to track the amount of orders that have been paid for and the amount of orders that are yet to be paid for. And the last one is what? The mode of delivery. Maybe we sent it out via GID, or we sent it out via maybe our delivery person at a specific state. So, or we sent it out maybe through any other delivery agent. So that mode of delivery will be stated here. So the essence of this sheet is for us to track the products that have been paid for and the products that are yet to be paid for. So I'm going to be doing a quick example. So let's say today was 27th of October 2023. So, and we had 5 items that have successfully been delivered. So let's say they had paid for 3 of them. So, and the amount that was paid was 50,000 for the 3 items. So the amount that is yet to, the number of orders that are yet to be paid for is 2. And the mode of delivery, let's say the mode of delivery is GIG. This is what we do. So the next day, for example, we have another, let's say 28th of October. So let's say we delivered 10 items today. So, and the number of orders paid for, we had maybe 8 of them paid for, and they paid maybe 120,000. So it means that the number of orders that have not been paid for as of today is how many? It's 2. You understand? And what's the means of delivery? So let's say it's still GIG. Let's say today again we used our personal delivery agents at Abuja to make some deliveries. So 28th of October 2023, and he delivered 3 items for us. You understand? Ideally, for those delivering for us, they would usually pay for everything. You understand? Once it's delivered, so they will pay 3, and let's say 55,000 naira that was paid. Do you understand? So how many orders are not paid for? Is 0. So, and the mode of delivery, let's say Abuja delivery agent. So basically, it is only the mode of delivery has to be the same. So if the mode of delivery, for example, if we had our Abuja and our Lagos agents deliver, we will not match them here. We have to do it separately, even if it's the same day. So let's say, for example, we had our Lagos agents deliver for us too that day. Do you understand? And our Lagos delivery agent delivered 5, and he paid for 4. Let's say the last one was cash, so he couldn't transfer it immediately. So, and he had sent maybe 105,000 naira. It means that there's one that is yet to pay for. Do you understand? And is our Lagos delivery agent. So this is going to give us the daily tracking of the products. Sorry, Lagos delivery agents, of where our money lies, and we'll be able to track them, and we'll be able to we'll be able to acknowledge their payment once the payment has been made. So this is how the payment sheet is going to be used. It's basically for tracking what has been paid out of what for every delivery that we've sent out. So let's say out of this GIG, for example, now, there were how many payments that were made. Out of the five, they made three, two was left. Let's say today again, they now made payment for one. So we're going to go back to that date that it was delivered, and we're going to adjust it. You understand? We'll adjust the amount paid. So the only time we will be done is when this amount is gone towards zero. Let's say today again, they made a payment of 20 on the of maybe five of for one product. So let's say they made a payment of one product extra for maybe 20,000. So we just do, so that's going to be 70,000 now. So you just took plus 20,000. Do you understand? So plus 20,000 here. And the amount of products, the number of orders that are yet to be paid for will reduce to one. And the number of orders that they've paid for will now be four. Do you understand? So if let's say today again or tomorrow they make another payment, you just add it again plus another, let's say it's 30,000, and we are going to now have the number of orders paid for to be zero. Do you understand? The number of not paid for to be zero, and the number of orders paid for will now be five. So that way we know that okay, the number of orders, all of them have been paid for this batch of items we have sent out. Do you understand? So and it was paid for three times, and that's the essence of this plus plus plus. So the essence of this sheet basically is for us to track the payment made. As for the total amount that comes in, the accounting sheet will always do that for us. And as we've said, the activity sheet is meant to record every of those activities. So the first, let's say the first time that they paid on the 27th, would have recorded it on the activity sheet. If the second payment was made on the 28th, would have gone to record it on the activity sheet. Do you understand? If the third payment was paid on the 30th, would have gone to record it that okay, on the 30th today we received the balance payment from what GIG. We understand. So this is how the system works. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood than said, and forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.